India has millions of people working every day. But what if they are not working to their full potential? India is one of the youngest countries in the world with a huge working population. This should be a major advantage for our economic growth, right? However, a hidden problem called underemployment is limiting this potential. Underemployment means people are employed, but their skills, education, or capacity are not fully utilized. This makes it an important issue because it directly affects productivity, income, and overall economic development. It occurs when people work below their qualifications or more workers are employed than required. For example, an engineering graduate working as a delivery guy, or multiple families working on a small farm where fewer workers are required. Unemployment in India is not new. It has existed since the post independence period, especially in agriculture, where disguised unemployment is very common. Even after economic reforms in 1991, economic liberalization, while new jobs were created, the problem of job quality remained. This issue is important because skills and educations are wasted, workers earn low incomes, economic productivity remains low. If not addressed, India's demographic advantage can turn into a demographic burden. To reduce unemployment, India can promote skill based and vocational education, encourage startups and entrepreneurship, expand labor intensive sectors like manufacturing, improve collaboration between education institutions and industries. Programs like Skill India missions are steps in the right direction. In the short term, skill training programs can improve employability within 1 to 2 years. In the long term, structural changes in education and industrial growth may take up to 5 to 10 years to fully address the issue. However, there are challenges: poor quality of education, lack of infrastructure, rapid population growth, limited job creation in the high skill sector. Underemployment is a hidden but serious economic problem. Solving it is an essential for ensuring that India's workforce is not just employed but productively employed. This is a crucial sustainable economic growth. Thank you.